Hi everyone, my name is Amanul Haq. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP function in Excel. This is the data available where we use VLOOKUP. V stand for vertical. So what exactly VLOOKUP formula tells us? Data here is a data consists of product name, product code, quantity, and price. And what are the products here? Laptop, notebook, desktop, keyboard, and etc. So for example, if I'm looking for a price for a LED screen which is 109, so I can write 109.99. This is the LED screen price. And if I'm looking for a price or quantity of mouse, so quantity of mouse here is 20. Okay. I can type manually because data is very small, but imagine if data is large and we want to find out price or quantity or product code. In that scenario, it will be very difficult to get the value. That's why we use VLOOKUP function. So what is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP function perform a vertical lookup by searching for a value in the first column of a table. So in that case, first column is a product name, and returning the value in the same row in the index number position. VLOOKUP function is a built-in function in Excel that is categorized as a lookup reference function. So if I'm looking in Excel, if I'm looking for a VLOOKUP function, so we have to go in a formula. In formula, there is a tab for lookup and reference. We have to press this one, and you can see here is a VLOOKUP. So we can use VLOOKUP function by here. Okay. So what VLOOKUP says, this is our lookup value, and we're looking for a price for the mouse. So product name, this is if we want a product code, or we have to select second column, and if we're looking for a quantity, we have to select third column, and this is price in the fourth column. So we write it down. We look a formula. So see, if we look up, so this is lookup value. Mouse is our lookup value, which is in column C. Table array, this is, we have to comma, we have to select the complete table. This is our table array. I have to press comma again. And what we're looking for, we're looking for a product code, quantity, or price. For example, here we're looking for a price for the mouse, so this, which is in column 4. So I have to press 4, and I'm looking for an exact match. So exact match means you have to false, or we can press 0 as well. Both will give the same result. If you press enter, you will see the answer, $20. And if we change the name, for example, if I'm going to change the name desktop here, the desktop, so it changed the price, which is for the desktop, which is $700. So the same we can do for, if we want to know the quantity, what we supposed to do, we have to go and delete this formula, and we write it down. We look up formula for, if you're looking for lookup value, same here, and table array is, we can select all, comma, and quantity in the column 3. So we have to write down 3. The last time we put number 4 because price in the column 4. Now quantity in the column 3. That's why we write it down 3 and then false for exact match. And if we press C8. So desktop, how many desktop available in quantity? Number 8. The same way we can find out product code. So imagine if there is a very large data and then you don't know how to get the value or quantity or product code or anything else. You just use VLOOKUP function and you can get the value easily. I hope you understood how to work a VLOOKUP function with exact match. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon button to get more video on time. Thank you.